Hi friends, I wanted to show you today a beautiful wig from Jon Renau, and her name is Mila, M-I-L-A, and isn't she a beautiful synthetic? And I wanted to show you how I have knocked down, see how I love this, it's like shiny, healthy, beautiful hair. That's what we go to the salons to do sometimes, right? But what you can do is by using a dry shampoo, you can knock that shine down. Now, I used one that is for brunettes, and that way you don't get all that white residue in the roots. Matter of fact, look at that part line, look at that hairline. Just absolutely gorgeous. And this is a Jon Renau Smartlace Collection Wig. And what that means is, let's take it off and I'll show you the inside. Okay, so what it means is that lace front is ear tab to ear tab into the ear tab, and it has a monofilament top. It's very lightweight. These stretch back, the beautiful velvet extended nape is so soft. The ear tabs are so soft, and the Velcro adjusters. But what I like to get in close to you and show you is just how much they actually have these hairs even into underneath the lace, and on the ear tabs, they sew it where it's on the top of the velvet. So it comes out and it looks like it's growing right out of the side of your head. It is just such a beautifully made cap. And of course, look at this wig. This is a beautiful, it is called Shaded Praline, and it is number 12F S8, 12FS8, and shaded, just remember Shaded Praline. It is just absolutely beautiful. Look at how it's got this just beautiful medium browns, golden brown lowlights. It has the golden blonde highlights and the really light golden blonde highlights. Absolutely gorgeous. So I've been wearing a lot of icy blondes and ashy blondes in June. You've seen me wearing a lot of those. You go look at my playlist and you can check them out. But this is just a beautiful medium blonde with medium brown rooting. So let me put her back on and just tell you how comfortable this is. This really is a out of the box and go. So this is what it looks like, just running your fingers through it, right? And all these golden highlights. And this is the side that I sprayed this more of the brunette color of, and it doesn't stay on there, dry shampoo and it's synthetic. So it just sits on the surface of it. So it is just a beautiful, but I like using a dry shampoo. I feel like it breaks up the curls a little bit more, and you just have to decide. Maybe you love the shiny, and maybe you like the more matte look. We're all that way about our makeup and our lipstick, right? Matte, glowy, dewy, shining. So same way with our hair. And our hair is just an extension of our accessories. Just like if I put on a blouse or a dress or a top, a lot of times the color, where I'm going, who I'm going to be with, what mood or vibe I'm in, that's how I pick my wig. That's it. And I like having the choices. I like being able to have a synthetic, a human hair, a heat friendly. So I think having one of each, if you can do that, is a great goal to have to get to that point so that you have certain needs. A synthetic like this is going to hold its curl no matter what. Wind, rain, snow, sleet, or hail, this is going to hold up and deliver the day. It's going to do that. Heat friendly, you can restyle it however you want to. You can straighten it, put the curls back in. And human hair, of course, is beautiful. It feels good. It does require maintenance. It requires washing and curling. And if it gets wet, just like your own bio hair, it's just going to get frizzy with the rain, or the curl's going to fall out. So ladies, synthetic like this is a wonderful, wonderful wig to have for all occasions and for any climate or condition. You're always going to keep what you have. I love it. Its name is Mila. Check it out at wigs.com. Thank you, Jon Renau and wigs.com, for letting me share this with you today. Doing, my darlings. Bye.